got breaking news here. We got some exciting things happening at Essential Bodywear, and we can't wait to tell you about it. First of all, I want to say congratulations on an incredible end to June. It was fabulous. I couldn't be happier. We had 63 new recruits come in the month of June, so way to go. Way to go to set those ladies up for success. Getting them out the door, that $2,000 will be huge for their business. So anyways, congratulations. Okay, so we have something new. Everybody's been texting me and going, oh, are you extending the special? Are you doing this? Are you doing that? I'm like, oh, no, we got something really great for July. July, we're trying something new, and we're so excited. It's a limited time only kit, and we're calling it the Best Sellers Kit. Yes, that's right, the Best Sellers Kit. And you're going to get, so hang on, I'll share the flyer with you. You are going to have the Best Seller Kit is $299. You get everything here for just $299, okay? Bringing the absolute best to you for a great way for them to start their business in July. You can have fun and make money on your terms. And that's what you want to be able to tell your potential recruits. With this kit for $299, you're going to get the best-selling Abby bra, which is 32C through 44G. So right here, you get 32C through 44G. You get the panty that started it all, which is our Zoe semi-sheer. This is the panty that we started the business with 16 years ago, and it continues to be one of our best sellers. We also get in here the Essential Cami. We introduced this back in 2010. It continues to be one of our best sellers. Great for the summertime. Great way to sell the slim pack by putting the bra, panty, and then even get them in those panties too. You also get our top-notch business supplies, our very own cups fitting system. You get everything here. You get the business supplies, you get all this. The retail value is over $2,900. Over $2,900 just for $299. It's for the month of July only. So we're going to be posting that and sending that out. We also have a great special going for July 4th. It is the $4 shipping on any order when you spend over $50 or more. You get $4 shipping, and then of course you get free shipping if you spend over $150, and you can use it on all the new products that just came out. This though ends on July 8th. So between now and July 8th, you really want to make a big deal on the new products that just were introduced at Bravo and get them out the door. But not only that, in that first 8 days, we also have an incredible customer special, which is spend $150 July 1st through July 8th, and you can add on the Essential Cami for 75% off. So you spend $150, you can get 2 of the new bras. Think about this. Get 2 of the new bras. You can get the Chloe bra, and you can get the Cooling Abby bra. And that's over $150. Then add in the Essential Cami just for 75% off. This will switch to 50% off on the 9th. So you want to get your orders in by July 8th, okay? Then of course, the whole month of July, we have double the fun. Come on, ladies, it is double the fun in July. Get those bookings on your calendar now. This is when your hostess can get all that new product that we just introduced either for free or half off. So a great way to do that. Then, of course, for our Bravo attendees, we always have something for our Bravo attendees. They get to recruit in the month of July, and so if you attended Bravo, you had to be in attendance at Bravo. And any recruit that you recruit with this, any kit, but with this $299 kit, for example, any recruit that you bring in, you get double points on them. So if they come in and they sell $2,000 and their first 40 days, it has to be within their first 40 days, that is worth 4,000 points for you. Plus you get 1,000 points for activating them past the $1,500. That is a great way to really amp up your recruiting and get those trips to get to Cabo. So many wonderful things happening right now. But again, this bestsellers kit, it is truly the bestsellers. And then you're gonna go, Carrie, well, how does she add to her kit all the new stuff that we just introduced, blah, 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 blah. Guess what? They can add to it with their fast start. Within their first 40 days, they can have $200 that they can add in if they do $1,000. Same thing in their next 30, They can add $600 in product just by doing the Fast Start program. And then that way they can add $600 more of additional product, and they will be on their way to success. But again, bestsellers, so it's going to be C through G, 32 through 44, okay? So you get C pack, D pack, E pack, F pack, and G pack. You get a Zoe bikini. You get the essential cami. You get your business supplies. You get your cups. You get all your business supplies. Everything to get going, and you're out the door for success. Again, July only, ladies. So if you had somebody that maybe didn't sign at the last day of the month in June, this is a great way to give them a call. Hey, don't worry, Rebecca, we have this deal for you now that they've just introduced, and you should take advantage of it because it is just July only. And then help them get out the door for success. So anyways, DG will be posting the flyers, Kate's turning the kits on, and we'll be doing an email out on Constant Contact to get you guys the flyers that you need. So we're excited. We hope you are excited. Again, make the most of July. And of course, make the most of this 1st through the 8th incentive, okay? Everybody have a great day. Have a great 4th.